Heartbreak does not hurt randomly. Heartbreak hurts where identity once lived. Heartbreak is often misunderstood as an emotional reaction, yet its true impact reaches far beyond emotion. Pain emerges not only from loss, but from the sudden collapse of meaning, safety, and internal orientation. What once felt familiar disappears, leaving the nervous system searching for grounding while the mind searches for explanation. Understanding this experience requires moving beyond romance and into psychology, attachment, and identity formation. Heartbreak wounds deeply because connection becomes architecture. Attachment builds internal structure, emotional rhythm, and future expectation. When that structure disappears, the mind does not simply grieve a person. The mind grieves the version of life it organized itself around. This perspective shifts the conversation from weakness to intelligence. Pain signals not fragility, but depth of investment and capacity for connection. Healing begins once heartbreak is understood as a disruption of inner order rather than a personal failure. Heartbreak destabilizes the nervous system before conscious thought can intervene. Attachment forms neurological pathways associated with safety, regulation, and reward. Emotional bonding trains the brain to associate a specific presence with calm and orientation. Loss removes that anchor abruptly. Shock follows, confusion follows, the body responds as if safety has vanished. Heartbreak feels unbearable when the nervous system interprets absence as danger. Sleep becomes shallow, appetite loses rhythm, thoughts circle without resolution. Psychological pain mirrors physical pain in the brain. Research consistently demonstrates that rejection activates the same neural regions as physical injury. This overlap explains why heartbreak feels visceral rather than symbolic. Depth of pain reflects depth of attachment, not weakness of character. Feminine psychology processes connection holistically. Emotional bonds integrate identity, imagination, future planning, and relational meaning. Love becomes not only an experience, but a context for self-expression. Heartbreak disrupts this integration. Questions arise not only about the relationship, but about worth, intuition, and judgment. Internal dialogue becomes louder as certainty fades. Sensitivity amplifies awareness. Awareness intensifies loss. This dynamic does not indicate emotional excess. This dynamic reflects emotional intelligence operating without external regulation. Healing occurs once sensitivity becomes guided rather than suppressed. Connection shapes identity quietly. Daily rituals, shared language, future projections, and emotional mirroring reinforce self-concept. Love teaches the nervous system who it is allowed to be. Heartbreak removes that mirror. Silence replaces affirmation. Absence replaces recognition. The mind struggles not only with grief, but with disorientation. Questions emerge regarding personal value, desirability, and direction. Identity fragmentation creates exhaustion. Rebuilding requires patience, not urgency. The self cannot be rushed back into coherence. Memory reactivation serves regulation rather than longing. The brain attempts to re-experience safety by revisiting familiar emotional patterns. Rumination functions as a misguided stabilizer. Judgment often interrupts this process. Shame compounds pain. Resistance prolongs distress. Gentle awareness shortens recovery. Understanding this mechanism reduces self-blame. Heartbreak does not indicate failure. Heartbreak confirms the ability to bond deeply and authentically. Capacity for connection remains intact even when the connection ends. Loss reshapes maturity. Grief refines discernment. Pain clarifies values. Strength develops quietly during periods of emotional recalibration. Consider moments when emotional pain softened personal clarity rather than erased it. Notice how boundaries sharpen after disappointment. Observe how intuition strengthens once denial dissolves. Heartbreak becomes formative when reflection replaces rumination. Stillness invites reintegration. Time provides distance. Understanding provides healing. Unprocessed heartbreak lingers beneath composure. Avoidance delays recovery. Integration restores balance. Healing requires meaning-making rather than distraction. Detachment restores nervous system stability. Distance allows identity to breathe again. Self-trust rebuilds through consistent self-regulation. Power returns once emotional dependence dissolves. Grace emerges naturally. Heartbreak reshapes perception rather than diminishes worth. Loss initiates refinement rather than regression. Emotional pain transforms into discernment when processed with patience and intelligence. The heart does not weaken through love. The heart evolves through experience. Self-respect becomes inevitable once healing completes. Take a breath here, darling. This message holds space for tender hearts learning to trust themselves again. Healing feels lighter when shared in calm company. A gentle invitation remains open to subscribe to Thriving Ivy 3883 for continued reflections on emotional intelligence, refined femininity, and graceful self-restoration. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.